Finding a quiet space and settling down with your back fully supported. Making that energetic shift from human doing to human being. And moving into that state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Bring forward an intention, something unique to you, and put that into one word, preceding it with the words I am. For example, I am calm. Say it to yourself 3 times with the conviction that it's true. And as you say this to yourself, begin to embody your intention, noticing how it feels to be with your intention in truth. Bring awareness to the crown of your head. Maybe it feels bright and light in sensation or color. Relax your crown. Relax your forehead. Relax that space between the eyebrows. Relax the cheekbones, the nose, the cheeks, the mouth. Feel the tongue rest heavy in the mouth. Relax the jaw, the shoulder blades, the biceps and triceps, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, fingers and thumbs. Soften the chest, the core, the thighs, the lower legs, the feet and ankles. Feeling the heels on the ground, the calves, the glutes, the back itself, the backs of the arms, the back of the head. And now bring awareness to your heart center. As you're breathing in and out, you see a bright white light growing and glowing bigger and bigger. You feel the very heartbeat of the earth beneath you. It's beating in sync with your own. Soothing, steady, rhythmic, and regular. You gaze towards the sunshine, feeling a quiet stillness in the air, a sacred presence wrapping around you. The sunlight bathes you in a gentle glow. And now imagine yourself settled under the sunlight on a warm summer's evening. The air is soft and gentle against your skin. You're resting on thick, plush grass. The back of your body is fully supported. You are cradled in comfort and in ease. You feel held, supported, nurtured by the earth beneath you. A deep sense of grounding and connection spreads through you, as if the very heartbeat of the earth beneath you is beating in sync with your own. Your heartbeat, soothing, steady, rhythmic, and regular, alongside the earth's. And as you gaze towards the sunlight, you feel a quiet stillness in the air, a sacred presence wrapping around you. The sunlight bathes you in a gentle glow. Bring awareness to your heart center and begin to breathe deeply. With each inhale, a radiant energy lights up your heart, drawing in radiant energy from the sun. You absorb its glorious energy, and as you exhale, your heart glows brighter and brighter. Inhale, your heart glows bright. Exhale, your heart expands further. You are filled with love and light. This light spreads outward, gently covering your entire body, wrapping you in a cocoon of peace and warmth. And now this light expands beyond you. It flows outward towards your loved ones, embracing them in the same loving radiance. The light extends even further, reaching every being, every tree, every creature, until it stretches across the entire world. It touches every living thing with harmony, balance, and equanimity. You're at one with the universe, deeply held, deeply safe, filled with infinite love and light. And now imagine a circle, visualizing a perfect circle of light around you. This light symbolizes your circle of influence. The circle encompasses the areas of your life you have control over, your thoughts, your actions, your reactions, and the choices that you make. And now breathe deeply, focusing on the center of your circle. Sense your inner strength and power residing there. And with each inhale, feel empowered, confident, capable of making positive choices, designing your own reality, designing your future. And now imagine the circle expanding outward, This represents the positive ripple effect of your empowered choices. As you make choices aligned with your values and take responsibility within your circle of influence, your positive impact ripples out to those around you. Notice how your positive energy and actions inspire others. See how your circle of influence can connect and positively impact the world. And now visualize yourself consciously choosing to stay in your circle of influence. And whenever external factors or challenges arise, gently bring your awareness back to the center, back to your inner strength and the power of your choices. You acknowledge and appreciate your inner power and the positive ripple effect that's emanating from your sphere of influence. Taking a few breaths here, absorbing any good sensations that you notice. And now bring awareness back to your intention and say it to yourself silently 3 times with the knowing that it's true. And then saying to yourself silently, my practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Feeling a sense of warmth and light. Feeling a sense of satisfaction. A sense of belonging. A sense of knowing that you are enough just as you are. And now bring awareness to your fingertips and slowly begin to move them. And do the same with your toes. Bring an awareness to your toes and then gently beginning to move them. Maybe rotating at the wrists. Just doing whatever feels good for you at this moment in time. When you're ready, bring awareness back to the breath and roll onto your right side. Maybe taking a wriggle and a stretch on your journey there. Gently blink your eyes open and bring more awareness into your body. And then when you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Bringing thumbs to heart center. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.